Waking up at 6 a.m., morning lift, and class at 9, class at noon, going on to lunch. Lunch from 1 to 2, class back at 3 to 4, afternoon practice at 5, homework from 8 to 10, and repeat that schedule. When will I, as an athlete, have time to make money myself? So today, I'm going to be talking about why college athletes should be getting paid to an extent. I do believe that college athletes should be getting paid through deals such as endorsements, sponsorships, or having their likeness used in TV, video games, and commercials and ads. However, I do not believe college athletes should be getting paid a salary, such as someone with an actual career like a teacher or a professional athlete. So my first point about this is college athletes have a very tight and stressful schedule. As a college athlete with experience, I know that balancing a full 16-hour student credit hour workload plus a full athletic schedule is very, very stressful. And I don't feel like many athletes have time on their own to make money for themselves. And any of that free time that they do have, they're either putting back into their sport, to their school, or they'd rather spend it doing something else besides making money, and they'd want to go have fun with their friends or just kind of relax. So I do believe, firstly, I said sponsorships. So most college athletic programs already have big sponsors for their gear and equipment, such as Nike, Under Armour, Puma, Adidas, Reebok, all those companies. They already sponsor the program as a whole. So what is stopping them from sponsoring the individual athletes and giving them in-game incentive-based rewards, or sponsoring them to solely promote their brand in order to make some money on the side? This gives not only the company a chance to have more exposure, but also the athlete a chance to make some more money. Secondly, I wanted to talk about how athletes can make money through using their likeness. What I mean by using their likeness is using their name, face, where they came from, all that kind of stuff, kind of their backstory. They can use this kind of stuff in video games, such as like an NCAA football kind of game, or any kind of college sport game where you might see their face or their name. The college athlete can get a pay cut from that based on how well the game performs, how much their character is used, that kind of stuff. Or, as previously stated, using things like ads and commercials and TV. The college athlete, if they want to give a company permission to use their face on their billboard, then they can get a pay cut from that as well if the product sells well. However, selling away your likeness is something that can be very scary, so before you do something like that, you need to make sure you know what the company is, what they stand for, and what they're going to use your likeness for exactly. So overall, I do believe college athletes should be paid, but like I said, to an extent. Earning a salary is not the same as earning a sponsorship or getting paid because you're performing well. Earning a salary is just a way for the athlete to make money just straight away, which, yes, can be an incentive to play a sport in college, but that shouldn't be the main reason that they are in college in the first place. And yeah, thank you.